right, keep it slow coming through the gate. Watch your left side.
Every morning, this state-of-the-art USDA facility welcomes a new herd of premium Texas Longhorns, ensuring only the finest quality beef.
You got the manifests ready? Yes, here there. All right, pull up to the scales slowly. All right, bring the ramp down slowly. Copy that, watching the horns on the left side.
Maintaining a sterile environment is paramount, even as these massive animals are carefully guided through the process. These 1,000-pound Texas Longhorns represent the peak of quality, arriving at the nation's most advanced processing facility.
Now, keep them moving slowly. Watch the horns on the left side.
The Texas Longhorn, known for its distinctive horns and rugged hide, is carefully guided through the state-of-the-art facility.
Now, easy. Watch your step right there.
Bull install 5 shows a slight increase in heart rate.
Okay, noting that on the clipboard. I'm getting a consistent baseline reading now.
Continue to monitor closely.
Keep them moving. Steady now. Straight ahead, boys. Gentle, gentle. Watch the line. Good. Stay in line.
Inspection complete. Proceed to stage 2. Affirmative, confirmed. Excellent.
Proceed to the next stage. Okay, commencing phase transition.
Condition is stable. Documenting observations now. Keep them moving.
USDA Prime. The grade is confirmed. Automated gate opening. Guide the animal through.
Checks clear on specimen 43. Processing data on tablet now. Move them to the next bay. Status update, stall 28.
Coming on the belt. This one looks good, ready for polishing. Nice and smooth, into the holding rack.
The texture needs to be perfectly smooth. Ensure every curve is flawless. Approved for luxury collection.
The rich colors really pop after the initial polish.
Yes, the streaks are quite beautiful.
Ready for quality inspection.
Precision and care are paramount to the luxury unboxing experience. The robotic systems ensure flawless synchronization for global export.
Pallet 4 complete. Moving to pallet 5. Confirmed. Shipment ready for the truck.
Inside this center, customer orders are prepared. Automated systems generate seamless logistics, ensure flawless global delivery. Innovation meets tradition here. Crafting a sustainable future.